Today we're going to be turning these tables into Swiss cheese with this bimetal hole saw kit.
Look at that case. Look at this. It's got latches. Little covering. And all your bits and pieces. Got a regular standard drill here. And you got to open it up all the way. It's a very large shaft. And it fits just perfect. Okay, these pins will go into that right there. After you screw it on, you got to screw it on first. You can kind of see it right there, the little notch. And then there's that, and line it up. And then like that. Okay. Alright, here we go. This is good for wood, thin metals, thin PVCs, or thick chunky PVCs. Actually, PVC will cut easy with any of the blades. Not recommended for concrete or glass. Not recommended for tile. It would chew everything up and break your tiles. Just like that. Slots here, when you need to get this piece out, you can just push that off.
Push it off. With what?
With a screwdriver. It would work better with a screwdriver. That was the worst option you can use, and it still come out relatively easy.
In the package, you're going to have 11 different options, ranging from 19 millimeter all the way up to 64 millimeter. This one is 2.5 inches. You have another one here, 2 1/4. Let's see. This one is 2 1/8, 54 millimeters. You have this one here, which is 1.5 inches or 38 millimeters. This one is 1 3/4, 44 millimeters. We have a 2-inch, which is 51 millimeters. This one here is 1 1/8 at 29 millimeters. 1 inch at 25 millimeters. This one is 7/8 at 22 millimeters. This one is tiny. And this one is 3/4 inch, 19 millimeters. And then the one that he was just using is 1 3/8 at 35 millimeters. There are also 2 mandrels, this one here that's connected to the smallest one, as well as the one that he has on the drill right now. Also in the top part is going to be an Allen wrench, as well as an extra drill bit. There is also a set of instructions, as well as a suggested speed for each of the sizes.
On the larger sizes, it actually will show how the safety pins go in there. It's not a screwdriver, but it should be better than the knife that I used previous. Yeah. Yes. Get a little pry action going there. Oh, a little bit more.
This was a thick piece of wood. I didn't realize it was so thick.
It's particle board. It's just as strong as wood. If anything, it might be a little different cutting than wood. So that is actually a chunky piece.
Made of a bi-metallic material, and they are actually stronger than other options on the market. They're 2 millimeters thick.
I'd like to thank the seller of this product for sending it to us to give a review and a demonstration of it. All the opinions on this product today here are my own.